Hi children, in this video we are going to see 6th standard mathematics chapter knowing our numbers topic Roman numerals. In this session we are going to learn introduction of Roman numerals, Roman symbols, rules of Roman numerals, conversion of Hindu-Arabic numbers to Roman numerals and Roman numerals to Hindu-Arabic numbers. Roman numerals. Roman numerals is one of the earliest system of writing numbers and which is used to even today. So we are looking the Roman numerals many of the places. So there are watch, wall clock, books and buildings. Even though a classroom, etc. Now coming to Roman symbols. So we already know in our number system have 10 basic digits. But the Roman numerals have 7 basic symbols. So there are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Let's see the values of Roman symbols. So here I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. So now I am going to give a sentence for easily memorize the order of Roman symbols. So that is, my dear cat loves extra vitamins intensely. So for this sentence, first letter of each word to represent the Roman symbols. So let's see how to write Roman numerals based on basic Roman symbols. So here we need to follow some rules for writing Roman numerals. So the first rule is a rule of repetition. So when you place the same symbols, it is repeated 3 times at maximum. So same symbols are repeated means you can just add the values. So let's see the examples. So here I repeated 2 times. So the value of I is 1. So we want to add 1 in 2 times. So that is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Let's see the another example. C repeated 3 times. So here the value of C is 100. So we want to add 100 in 3 times. So that is 100 plus 100 plus 100, we get 300. So look at children, here I repeated 2 times, C repeated 3 times. That is each symbols repeated 3 times at maximum. But never repeated more than 3 times. So here the symbols I, X, C, M, R can be repeated 3 times at maximum. That is the value of 1, 10, 100, 1000 symbols are repeated. But the symbols V, L, D are never repeated. That is, the value of 5, 50, 500 symbols are never repeated. Okay, children? Here, can you write III, XXX, CCC, MMM? Yes, it is possible. Okay. Next, can you write VVV, LLL, DDD? No, it is not possible because the value of 550, 500 symbols are never repeated. So let's see the second rule. When a larger number next a smaller number, we want to add the numbers. Let's see the example. Here, the larger number 5 symbol is V. The smaller number 1 symbol is I. So here, larger number next smaller number. So we can add the numbers. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Next one, when a smaller number next larger number means we want to subtract the numbers. For example, IV. Here, smaller number next larger number. So, we want to subtract. So, 5 minus 1, we get 4. So, let's see some more example. X, V. Here, X value is 10. V value is 5. So, larger number next smaller number. So, we want to add the values. So, 10 plus 5 we get 15. Next one, C, V. Here, C value is 100. 5 value is 5. So, here also larger number next smaller number. So, we want to add the numbers. So, 100 plus 5 equal to 105. Next one, I, X. Here, I value is 1. X value is 10. So, here, smaller number next larger number. So, we want to subtract the values. 10 minus 1 we get 9. Next one, X, C. Here, X value is 10. C value is 100. Here also, smaller number next larger number. So, we want to subtract smaller number from larger number. So, that is 100 minus 10, we get 90. Let's see the third rule. The symbols I, X, C, M for used to subtraction. That is, the symbols I, X, C, M subtracted to any number. But the symbols V, L, D never subtracted. That is, the symbols V, L, D are subtracted from any number. So, for subtraction, I subtracted from either V or X. X subtracted from either L or C. C subtracted from either D or M. So, the subtraction system is used to 6 special cases. So, let's see. The first one, I is placed before V and X only. Let's see the values. I is 4, Ix is 9. Next one, X is placed before L and C only. So the value of XL is 40, XC is 90. Next, C is placed before D and M only. CD value is 400, CM value is 900. Let's recall some important rules. First one, the symbols I, X, C, M are repeated 3 times at maximum. The symbols V, L, D are never repeated. Next one, the larger symbol next smaller symbol means we have to add their values. Next one, smaller symbol next larger symbol means we want to subtract their values. Next one, I subtracted from either V or X. X subtracted from L or C. C subtracted from D or M. Now coming to exercise 1.5, the first one, write the following in Roman numerals. The given Hindu Arabic number is 8. So now we follow some steps. First one, write the expanded form. Next, split the numbers based on basic Roman symbols. So that is 8 equal to 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Next, write the symbols. So here 5 represent V, 1 represent I. Finally, we should write symbols together. So that is 8 equal to I. Next one, 72. So first one, write the expanded form. So 72 equal to 70 plus 2. Next one, split the numbers based on basic Roman symbols. So 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. Next, insert the symbols. So 50 represent L, 10 represent X, 1 represent I. So finally, we should write symbols together. So we get 72 equal to L, X, X, I. Third problem, 116. So first, let us write the expanded form. So that is 116 equal to 100 plus 10 plus 6. So next one, split the numbers based on basic Roman values. So that is 100 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. So next, insert the symbols. Here 100 represent C, 10 represent X, 5 represent V, 1 represent I. So finally, we should write the symbols together. So we get 116 equal to CXVI. The next problem is 336. So first step, expanded form of 336 is 300 plus 30 plus 6. Next, split the numbers based on the basic Roman symbols. So here 300 can be written as 100 plus 100 plus 100. 30 can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 10. 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. Next, insert the Roman symbols. Here 100 represent C, 10 represent X, 5 represent V, 1 represent I. So finally we should write the symbols all together. So that is 336 equal to C C C X X X V I. Eighth problem 745. The expanded form of 745 is 700 plus 40 plus 5. So next split the numbers. So here 700 can be written as 500 plus 100 plus 100. 40 can be written as 50 minus 10. So next insert the symbols. 500 represent D, 100 represent C, 50 minus 10 can be written as XL. Next 5 represent V. So finally we should write the symbols all together. So that is 745 equal to DCCXLV. Second problem, write the following as Indo-Arabic numerals. First one XIV. So here there are given Roman numerals. We want to convert into Indo-Arabic numerals. So first separate the symbols. So XIV. Next insert the values. So here X represent 10, I represent 1, V represent 5. So next step, we want to decide add or subtract. So here the larger number next smaller number means we want to add the values. But smaller number next larger number means we want to subtract the values. So here first 10 plus 1 is smaller number, 5 is larger number. So that is smaller number next larger number. So we want to subtract here. So 5 minus 1. So let's find the answer. So 10 plus 4 equal to 14. That is XIV equal to 14. Second problem XXXIX. First split the symbols. So XXXIX. Next one write the values. So here X represent 10, I represent 1, X represent 10. Here X repeated 3 times. So we want to add the numbers. Next one, here 1 after 10, that is smaller number next larger number. So we want to subtract 1 from 10. So that is 10 minus 1. Next 10 plus 10 plus 10 we get 30. 10 minus 1 we get 9. Next add 30 and 9 we get 39. That is XXXIX equal to 39. Eighth problem CCCLXV. First split the symbols. So C, 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 L, X, V. Second step, write their values. So here C represent 100, L represent 50, X represent 10, next V represent 5. So here C repeated 3 times. So we want to add the numbers. So 100 plus 100 plus 100. Next one plus 50 plus 10 plus 5. Because here larger number next smaller number. So we can add the numbers. So next we get 100 plus 100 plus 100 we get 300. 50 plus 10 we get 60 plus 5. Next 300 plus 60 plus 5 we get 365. That is CCCLXV equal to 365. Next one DCCXL. So split the symbols. Next write their values. Here D represent 500, C represent 100, X represent 10, L represent 50. Next here larger number next smaller number. So we can add the numbers. So 500 plus 100 plus 100 we get 700. Next one smaller number next larger number. So here we have to subtract. So 50 minus 10. So 50 minus 10 we get 40. 700 plus 40 we get 740. That is DCCXL equal to 740. Thank you children.